Hello Mira learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see adjectives ending in ed and ing. Hola, bienvenidos a este nuevo vídeo. Yo soy Miriam y hoy vamos a ver los adjetivos que terminan en ed e ing. Let's start. Generally, the ed adjectives describe emotions, people's feelings. Generalmente van a describir emociones, los sentimientos de las personas o de animales. So for example, she was so bored yesterday, she almost stops the game. For example, ella estaba tan aburrida ayer que casi para el juego. My child is surprised for all these gifts. Mi hijo está sorprendido por todos estos regalos. And Susan is depressed today. Susan está hoy deprimida. So, if you see, all these situations are temporary. When we write ed, is a temporary state. Cuando escribimos a un adjetivo le añadimos ed, significa que la situación es temporal. Is temporary, is not forever. Ing adjectives generally describe what causes the emotion. Describe the quality of something or someone. Generalmente describe la causa de la emoción, la cualidad de algo o alguien. For example, the night game was very frightening. El juego de anoche fue muy aterrador. So I was frightened. The game is frightening. Is permanent. The game doesn't change. El juego nunca cambia. Is frightening. And my situation, my feeling was that I was frightened. Yo estaba aterrado. Pero el juego era aterrador. The game is frightening. The game doesn't change. And I was frightened. Next, I watched a video quite interesting. So the video is interesting. And me, I was interested. But the video is always interesting. And last one, my boyfriend is charming. He is always charming. He doesn't change, is permanent. Here you have some exercises and you have to write ed or ing. The exercise continues here and I will give you the answers in the next video. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo vídeo. Thank you, bye bye.